Don't throw away stale bread. Our grandparents knew that this humble kitchen leftover could become a real treasure for the garden. Instead of spending money on store-bought fertilizers and plant feeds, you can make a simple, natural fertilizer that helps young plants thrive. Whole wheat, rye, or white bread all work well for this recipe. Break the bread into small pieces and place them in a large jar. Pour in warm, but not hot, water. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar and stir well. The sugar speeds up fermentation, creating beneficial compounds that support healthy plant growth. Close the jar and let it sit for 48 hours. While the bread is fermenting, prepare a nettle infusion. Place a few fresh nettle leaves in a glass and pour warm water over them. Let them steep for several hours so the water absorbs the nutrients from the leaves. Then remove the leaves, leaving only the liquid. After 48 hours, strain the fermented bread mixture. Add 2 cups of water to the liquid. This step is important because it dilutes the fertilizer, making it safe for plant roots. Next, add about half a cup of the prepared nettle infusion. Gardeners value nettles for the nutrients they provide, which help plants grow strong and healthy. Stir everything together until well combined. Pour the finished fertilizer into a watering can. Apply it directly to the soil around the base of your plants, preferably early in the morning or in the evening when the sun is less intense. This gives the nutrients more time to soak into the soil and reach the roots. Repeat every 2 to 3 weeks throughout the growing and fruiting season. For tomatoes, this homemade fertilizer helps develop stronger stems, encourages healthy root growth, and supports fruit production. Cucumbers reward you with lush foliage, vigorous growth, and abundant harvests throughout much of the season. Apply this biosolution, and your seedlings will grow like crazy. Even the weakest tomato seedlings will come back to life. Start by choosing a container where you can comfortably mix all the ingredients. Add 7 grams of dry yeast. Yeast contains vitamins, minerals, and amino acids that stimulate plant growth. Next, add 1 tablespoon of sugar. Sugar combined with yeast acts as a catalyst. Pour some warm water and mix the ingredients well. The water activates the yeast and speeds up its action. Prepare an empty plastic bottle. Pour the mixture from the glass into the bottle. Add about 500 milliliters of water to dilute the solution. Close the bottle tightly and shake it well to combine the ingredients. Let it sit for about 2 hours so the yeast can break down the sugar. Your fertilizer is ready. Use it to water your vegetable and fruit seedlings. The plants will absorb valuable nutrients, speeding up their growth and making them lush and healthy. Use this fertilizer once a week, and you'll see amazing results. All you need is to water your peppers with this solution once, and they'll grow like crazy. This simple fertilizer will provide the plant with all the essential nutrients, and you'll see the results in no time. Prepare a quart jar and pour in 17 ounces of warm water, but not hot. Add 1 tablespoon of dried yeast. Thanks to its vitamins and minerals, yeast helps the plant's health, accelerating their growth. Stir the water. Sugar provides energy to the plants, supporting metabolic processes and photosynthesis. It will act as an activator, stimulating the plants to grow faster and be healthier. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Stir, close the jar, and set it in a warm, dark place for 2 hours. After that, prepare a larger bucket with warm water. Pour in the yeast solution and mix everything together. You'll get a concentrated fertilizer for watering. This solution will be enough for watering 10 plants, 1 liter for each. You'll provide the peppers with all the nutrients they need and stimulate them to grow. Use the fertilizer daily if needed. They'll fruit like never before. Cut the banana peel into smaller pieces and drop them straight into a jar of water. Banana peels, full of potassium and valuable nutrients, often end up in the trash, but they can be put to great use. Seal the jar and cover it with a dark cloth to ensure proper fermentation. Leave the jar in a warm place for a few days, allowing the nutrients from the banana to infuse into the water. After that, uncover the cloth, and you'll notice the mixture has a strong smell and vibrant color. Now, take a glass jar and a strainer. Pour the contents through the strainer to remove the remnants. Take a watering can, add a liter of water, and measure a cup of the solution. Pour it into the watering can, and mix well. Now, simply water your plants. This fertilizer is perfect for plants, as it provides essential nutrients. Potassium boosts plant immunity and improves water usage. Magnesium supports photosynthesis, while phosphorus promotes root development and better nutrient absorption. It's a simple, natural way to care for your plants. Natural power for your tomatoes. Since I started using this trick, my neighbors can't believe their eyes. Your tomato plants will give you 5 times more fruit than before. They'll be big, healthy, and sweet. Start by digging a small hole next to each plant, just a few centimeters deep. Take some banana peels and cut them into small pieces directly into the hole. Banana peels are a fantastic natural fertilizer, rich in potassium, calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium. Tomatoes need these nutrients to grow fast and produce lots of fruit. Cover the hole with soil and water your tomatoes as usual. The peels will slowly decompose, releasing nutrients straight to the plant's root system. This gradual process ensures long-lasting nourishment. Your tomatoes will grow up to 5 times faster. A cheap and brilliant way to get large, juicy, and sweet tomatoes. Instead of throwing away kitchen scraps, turn them into a natural fertilizer that will strengthen your garden. It's not only budget-friendly, but also a great way to reduce waste. Potato peels contain potassium, magnesium, and phosphorus, minerals that support healthy plant growth, improve soil structure, and boost yields. With their help, plants grow better, become more resistant to diseases, and produce more. This natural fertilizer is perfect for organic gardening. To make it, pour hot water over the peels in a ratio of about 1 to 10. Let it cool, then strain. Water your plants with the liquid every 3 weeks. Regular use improves soil quality and strengthens the root system. You'll notice results after just a few uses. The soil becomes richer and the plants grow fuller and greener. This homemade fertilizer works great in vegetable and fruit gardens, as well as on allotments or balconies. 1 tablespoon of this can replace a ton of manure. No more spending money on expensive plant products. This mixture can replace several different fertilizers, and it costs almost nothing. It gives amazing results in the garden. Add 3 tablespoons of sugar to a bowl. Sugar boosts the amount of organic matter and encourages the growth of beneficial soil microbes. Then, add 3 teaspoons of potato starch. It's a natural source of potassium, phosphorus, and calcium, key nutrients for plant growth. Next, add 1 tablespoon of turmeric. It has antifungal properties, helps plants absorb nutrients, and protects them from disease. Pour the mix into a blender. Add 1 quart of cold water and blend thoroughly until the liquid is smooth and uniform. Measure out 1 cup of the mixture and dilute it in about 2.5 gallons of water. This fertilizer is perfect for watering vegetables, flowers, and other plants. Your garden will soon burst with color and look absolutely stunning. Cheap, natural, and effective.